High Steel Service Center versus Acme, the championship game.
For the Acme company, they have a star center who can make plays in the paint but is ineffective outside the arc. His play style is not flashy, simply fundamentals.
On the other hand, High Steel Service Center has amazing teamwork, training, and delivery. They provide the steel fast, just like how they quickly score points.
Enter High Steel Service Center's headquarters. They've dominated in this championship for 3 years back-to-back and have come back with the same plans. Can they execute or will they fall short?
There's always room for improvement. And here at High, we believe in continuous improvement. For a team to be successful, each team member must understand their role and be able to execute at a high level. Here at High Steel Service Center, we've implemented a comprehensive training program. So when it's time to go to work and get in the game, our team members are prepared to win.
I have chosen to keep improving as an individual and as a coworker. I attended Thaddeus Stevens College to transition into my maintenance role. Asking questions tends to be the best way to improve. Teamwork plays a key factor in all aspects of the service center. As a team, it's imperative that each individual area communicates nicely. That way our customers can receive their material when they want it, when they need it.
These star players have been battling it all, but it's not all about them. They have amazing partners as well. Much like he's continuously dishing assists, High Steel Service Center is constantly providing the materials needed at a lightning fast speed without giving up their amazing quality. Wild. This is the best game of the decade.
That's right. I've never seen such good teamwork and execution all in one game.
Let's get to our post-game interviews to see why High Steel Service Center won that game.
Just like a coach invests in their players, we invest in our coworkers through leadership support, career development opportunities, competitive pay and benefits, and a workplace culture that encourages collaboration and celebrates achievement.
Service Center victory because of the High Steel Service Center partnership. Great service, precision, processing, and a commitment to the next generation of builders.
If you want to cut through the competition, you don't just need a vendor, you need a teammate.